Hello guys. Okay, so today we're going to talk about colors and theming, right? In the last tutorial we spoke about font, styling our font. As you can see, the mobile app is running on the background. This is how it looks like. But before we go through this, we're going to talk about the colors and theme. Okay, so in order to access that, we go into the Java class and UI theme, and this is color. So this is where we set our colors to use on the mobile app. Anytime you want to do your color, this is where you come to put in your colors, give them their names. You put in the color codes, right? So, and this is the theme folder. Now, as you can see, when we want to do light and dark backgrounds, we have a theme for dark backgrounds and we have a theme for light backgrounds, right? So you can specify the colors and how it should look and how it should look generally. So during the course of this tutorial, we're going to work on both light and dark backgrounds too, right? So if you want to see, as you can see, come here and you're like this, you see everything this color scheme carries. It carries secondary, tertiary, surface color, error color, so it's much easier for you to implement. Don't worry, don't stress yourself too much. During the course of this tutorial, we're going to be implementing some of all these things in the mobile app. Thank you very much. So we're going to start with the most simplest in this tutorial. So we have, as you can watch the screen, we have the home screen and we have the detail screen, which is this. You're seeing right here. So I like to start with the most simpler, which is the detail screen, because it has more simpler functions and it's going to give you a good understanding on how everything works, right? So let's kind of categorize this detail screen, which is this. Let's try to categorize it and let's know what we're going to do. Now, first of all, we have the app bar. We're going to work on the app bar first. Then after working on the app bar, we're going to work on this image. After which, we're going to work on this text. Then the next one will be this text, and the next one will be this. The last one will be this. We're not going to do this, right? So, like I said earlier on, we'll start with the top app bar, followed by this image, this text, this, and this, right? So, let's get to work, guys. Next thing we're going to work on right now is the buttons. Okay, first of all, we're going to work on the leading button, which is the back arrow button. Yes, center align top up bar. Okay, text. We'll call this navigation icon. Which is okay, it's called navigation icon. We're going to come here. I'm going to say an icon button. I'm going to use an icon button. Okay. Okay, the icon button is going to have an icon, right? Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay, icon button is going to have an icon. Call icon and what is wrong? Icon. Okay. And icons dot field dot arrow back. Field dot arrow back. Okay, content description is basically for you to just put a description. For me, I don't put any. For me, I don't put anything. I just put an empty brace, empty string there. Now let's also auto reload and let's see. Okay, it shows. Ah, this is not the kind of icon they use on the app though. But for now, this is what we have. This is what we're going to try. Or let me check if I can see another one. Dot. Okay, I can use this. Keyboard arrow back. It looks good. Okay, but it still looks small. Now, on this design, we have like a circular shape around it. So we're gonna come here and do some magic. So like I said earlier on, modifier is used to style your widgets, like your buttons and all. Let's say modifier dot. I like using this style. Modifier dot. First of all, we're going to clip it. I'm going to use a circle shape. Then we're going to use now we need to give it a background. We need to give it a background. I'm going to say color is material theme dot color scheme dot tertiary. Something doesn't look nice here. Circle shape, background. Okay, I think I know why. Okay, now in order for you to access the material theme, your theme here, right? You need to write material theme dot, right? It gives you access. It gives you access to the theme. So it's going to be material theme dot color scheme dot tertiary. I'm going to show you how to access the text styling much later on. Okay, so what next? Let's give the size of 32 dp. Hold on, I think I'm having an issue here. Size. All right, 32 dots dp. Okay, so let's auto reload. Okay, as you can see, we have this circular something here, but this is not the color that was used this app yet. So during the process of working on this screen, we're going to implement those colors properly. So let's just leave this that way for now. I think this button is too small. Okay, so I like it being like this. I'm going to have a modifier dot size. Let's call it 18.dp. Is this too small or is my eyes 20.dp? I think this looks okay. Next, we're going to work on this share button. So it's basically, okay, we're going to work on this share button here. But if you look at it, they are using the same style and the same component. So we're writing the same code to display this is like kind of like tiring. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a class that allows us to reuse our component, that is reusing this icon button in the next class.